Healthy Veggie Girls. It says good, Maddie.
Yes. It's good.
What y'all watch?
Mommy, it's fucking hot. My favorite apple pie. Not apple pie.
What kind of seasoning should we put on the green beans?
What do you have in your mouth? What is that in your mouth? That's disgusting, baby. You keep stuff out your mouth, okay? Put that back in the Lego box.
Maddie, drink some water, baby.
Where the water at?
Just get you a cup. Just come somewhere you always use and rinse it out and get you some water. And then do what Daddy said after that, okay?
Okay.
Well, no. Put that down. Go do what Daddy said, then come drink you some water. But you can just put it right here, Maddie.
I need some water.
Oh, now you need some water. Okay, girl. I don't want you. Get you some water. Rinse out the cup.
Oh my god. Oh look. Maybe we could just put some lemon pepper.
I need to put this way around lemon pepper. Maybe we just, I don't know. What other seasoning we got in there that's good?
You just wanna do the same thing we did for the broccoli?
Just like the barbecue?
But he just won't tell you.
Oh yeah, and the onion.
No, I
And
did.
some salt.
No, we did this and.
Oh yeah. The okay, yeah, I'll do that. Alright, y'all go sit down. Almost done.
I need this stuff.
Thanks for your help, girls. Yeah, drink your water.
You're welcome. Yeah, like, yeah, you could just do that. Hello, Bob.
Okay, so I'm not gonna add any seasoning to the chorizo because it already got
Oh, that I thought that was like potatoes. What? That's
Okay.
chorizo.
Go sit down, darling. Thanks for your
Bye-bye.
help. Move that water. Put them back on the table,
Okay.
please.
Let me clean this up, this area.
Go sit down, baby. It's like, well, yeah, you can. That's fine. But a lot of that stuff is daddy stuff. But yeah, you can clean up what's over there. They can get moved.
Show them the vegan food we've been waiting for.
The vegan food you've been waiting for.
That's the food we waiting for. Yeah. Ma, you need this? That's what we waiting
Oh,
for.
I think my thing's down here.
What are we waiting? Is this
let me
kombucha?
see.
What? What are we waiting for?
Yeah, that's trash. Yeah, it might be kombucha. Excuse me.
What? Okay, this trash. What's that? What are we? Oh, you're making a whole video.
I got my tripod down here.
Hi,
Now she said you making a
guys.
whole video.
This food.
A whole video, mama. You doing it all, ain't you? Okay.
This
yeah.
food is gonna
So-
be famous.
It's the famous food. So I completely skipped this part of me explaining to y'all how we did like the base of the bowl. So I just steamed some cauliflower in the microwave, like I said. and added some, once I did that, I just added some hot rice to it, and then added some vegan cheese and some nutritional yeast while it was all still hot. That way it can just melt the cheese. And then added in some vegan cream cheese because I had it on hand. But if I didn't have that, I would just use some vegan or plant-based milk, like soy milk, almond milk, whatever you use. Add that to it just to make it creamy, and do it while it's really hot, just so you can just save yourself, the time. So mix it up really good. Add whatever seasoning you like, salt, pepper, any type of seasoning that you like. And then just mix it while it's still warm. And that was the base of the bowl. So there you go. And then I'm putting some chorizo over that. This is a very inexpensive meal.
I want the white bowl, Mommy.
And your kids get a lot of veggies. You want the white bowl? Okay. Yeah. And some protein.
Protein.
Don't have to add too much seasoning because the chorizo is definitely seasoned up.
Wait, do it say it's seasoned up?
So I'm going to use the same container just to throw my green beans in. Okay, Maddie, you can go sit down.
Okay.
And then I got this from Trader Joe's. This is not hot enough to do what I wanted to do. I might have to put it in the microwave. Go sit down, Maddie. Put a tiny bit of salt on her. Not too much. And then, then some nutritional yeast. I'm going to warm these green beans up a little more. And I'm going to add some of this cream cheese to it, because why not? It's so foodie, because I paid my money for it. So, I'm just going to put that a little bit in the microwave real quick, warm it up. Okay, so I'm literally just shaking up the green beans, getting that cream cheese moved around so it's a little creamy. And then this crunchy onion sprinkle, as well as some nutritional yeast. This is going to add vitamin B12, which is something that may be lacking in a vegan diet. Just put that ish on everything so they can get what they get. It's kind of like adding Parmesan cheese to like your veggies with some butter or something and getting it to stick on the veggies. And then adding some seasoning to it. A little bit more salt. Okay. And then just mix it because the nutritional yeast is going to give it some taste. As well as the cream cheese. So I'll just put this on the side for them. Oh gosh, can you imagine trying to divide everything up into 3? Okay. So these are the girls. Cheesy cauliflower and rice with chorizo bowls. And you got some green beans on the side. Made them a little bowl. If you want, you can put like some little sauce on top of it. We'll just leave it like this. You know, a bunch of vegetables. The cauliflower is vegetable, of course. And then you got some carrots in there with the chorizo, kind of just sprinkled in there. And then, of course, you got the green beans on the side. So, and it's pretty heavy. This is relatively heavy. And then I added the rice to the cauliflower to give them some more carbs, as well as just something else to keep them full. And it's more like a home, you know, warm home type of taste to have rice. Plus it's filling. So that's that, y'all. Healthy Veggie Girls. It says good, Maddie.
Yes. It's good.
What y'all watching?
I don't know.
That's Chris' math homework. We do use this table for everything.
I don't know.
You don't know? It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Got some green beans. You healthy girl. Big vegan bowls.
Made for
What do you think?
vegan boys and vegan girls.
Oh, I love it.